Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Karen. Today I'm going to make this rainbow Tourmaline Pixiu bracelets. It's made to order jewelry using this Pixiu color we already matched. And I just got the hole drilled, every one of it. And I will use 4mm top clarity small beads to make this bracelet, and I will share a few information about Pixiu. Pixiu is one of the Chinese legendary creatures like the dragon turtles. According to the Asian records, Pixiu eats everything in the universe, and they never poop. So it has a fat and round and big butt. It represents bringing you wealth and good luck. And the Pixiu steps on a coin at the bottom, which means the Pixiu will guard your wealth. But Pixiu is not for everybody. Many sellers will brag about the benefits of Pixiu, but I only sell Pixiu to certain kinds of people, like jewelry maker, resellers, or my repeat customers bought from me, and having the high vibration frequency crystals, or someone who followed the reputable feng shui master's instructions. So what kind of people cannot wear Pixiu? If the relationship of the couple is not good, should not wear Pixiu or place the Pixiu display at home or office, which will cause bad temper or quarrels. The people who have low vibration frequency cannot wear Pixiu. It will even weaken the energy field and will bring them negative impact. And the people with chronic diseases or frail are not suitable either. So if you really want a Pixiu jewelry or place the Pixiu display, make sure you are always at a high vibration, or you can wear Super 7 crystal, Moldavite, Auralite 23, this high vibration frequency healing stones together. It's done. So pretty and very cute. And the most expensive color of Tourmaline is blue color, like this one. It's actually blue. And the second expensive is green. Also, the purple color is kind of rare. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.